How can you make money online using a three-legged milk stool? I'm going to show you exactly how right now. Hey everybody, I'm Mark with Adventures in eCom, and today I'm going to show you how to make money as an affiliate, as a beginner affiliate, using native advertising to drive traffic. Now, back to my three-legged milk stool real quick. The whole idea behind a three-legged milk stool is that it takes all three legs for it to stand up and do its job. And that really is no different than affiliate marketing, mowing the yard, doing laundry, whatever it is that we're doing in life. There are different aspects of whatever it is you're doing that you have to do correctly. And the three legs, in my opinion, for affiliate marketing are, number one, you got to have a sound offer. You have to have a good offer so that ultimately it closes and you make money. The next one really is probably the most important thing, and that is driving traffic. You have to have tons of quality targeted traffic seeing the offer in order for you to make any money as an affiliate. And the third leg really has to do with being able to take that traffic that you're driving and turn it into long-term sustainable audience that is warm to you and your future offers, because this lowers your cost per acquisition and you make more money. You can do that by capturing email addresses to add to your list, also applying your Facebook pixel or Google retargeting pixels, etc., so that you can retarget these same people to your offers. Anyways, that's the makeup of the three legs of my milk stool. Now, let me dive into showing you how we are going to reverse engineer hack super affiliates to make sure that we're on the right track. So native advertising, let me talk about that for a second. Here is MSN's homepage, and MSN does this better than most people. You can see here's a banner advertisement, but I don't even have to scroll down before we're seeing native advertising at work on their platform. You can see how this is an ad, and it looks just like the other content pieces on their website. It's mixed in with the other content. We can see again, here's an ad, and it looks just like the other news content pieces that they have on their website. So if we come over to this is Metacafe. Metacafe is a big video sharing website and content sharing website. But if we come over to their website, I'm going to click on the first one, and you can see as we scroll down, here are, as it loads, here's an ad, here's more of their content, and then here's more of these native advertising ads right here in the sidebar. This is by MGID. They're a big network and an easy one to get approved with if you want to run this style of advertising. And I recommend running this style of advertising, and I'll go into it here in just a minute. So let me just highlight real quick. I have a couple tabs open. This is Rev Content. This is another, like I mentioned, MGID. Here's Rev Content. You can sign up with them to get to push native ads. Here's Tabula. They're a big one. MGID that I referenced. Here's Outbrain. Big one. And if you need to find more, just Google native advertising networks. There are a slew of them out there. And if you click on this particular article, this is going to tell you about, I don't know how many, 9 of them or something like that, and a little bit more in depth about each one. So you can really find some good information in here. But I'm going to come back over to Metacafe. And if we start clicking on some of these ads, these native ads, let's see what this looks like. So this is a landing page. It's taking us to a lander, and it is a super dead simple landing page. It's just an image. All this stuff is linkable, and it's linkable over to an offer, some sort of affiliate offer on the back side of this. Now, here's one of the ways that we're able to reverse engineer hack these super affiliates. I'm going to come back over here to Metacafe really quick, and I've installed the SimilarWeb Google Chrome plugin here, but you could just copy this URL, go to the SimilarWeb website, paste it in, and get all this analytics. But if I click on this and I look at it, Metacafe gets 2.3 million monthly visits, and that's not too shabby. So you can see that we can get some good information based on the website. And if I come over here and I do the exact same thing to this page, let me click on this and it'll run. Doesn't have any data to show me for this. Let's go ahead and click on this and see what it looks like on the back end. 5-second hack, blah, blah, blah. So this is a ClickBank offer. But what I don't like about this is that it didn't show me any data from SimilarWeb. So I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to click on another one. This is to Classmates. So that is a direct link over to their website and their offer. Let's see what else we have here. So is this, and let me click on this. Funny looking, looks actually pretty good. It's almost lunchtime here, so I think I'm kind of hungry. But if I click over to it, sorry, I'm clicking all over the place. Let me get rid of those two offers. So as I click on the avocado egg looking one, it takes me to this landing page, and it looks almost the exact same as the first one that I clicked on. Let me click on this, see what kind of stats it comes up with. And this comes up with an average of over 200,000 visits per month. And this goes back to February. This is just the free version of the plugin, but it does its job for what I need it to. Back in January, 250,000 visits, 264, 322,000 visits. So, and that's to this landing page. So somebody's doing the right thing. They're driving traffic, and this is working. This offer and this landing page are working, or they wouldn't drive this much traffic for that long of time to it. So what we can do, so that's kind of step one in reverse engineering and hacking, is we know what the ad looks like that they're using. We know what the headline is that they're using, so we can start to copy and replicate this stuff on the front end. Let me tell you a little secret about these ads. You really want to create what's called an open loop ad. An open loop ad is something, or an open loop message is a message that it's kind of a teaser. It leaves the human brain wanting to be able to close that loop and get an explanation on exactly what this is talking about. This says, do this immediately if you have diabetes. And it's an avocado and an egg, and it doesn't fully tell me everything. So it makes me want to click over to it. And from here, I land on this landing page. So what we're going to do is we would then replicate this particular landing page, and we can do it by either, you could do it in a number of different ways. Probably one of the easiest ways is to use lead pages. Lead pages is a dead simple landing page, squeeze page builder. It is a lower cost than most of the other ones like ClickFunnels, etc. in the industry. So you can get a little one-page lander up and running, and you could replicate this in a second. You really could. You could literally just copy this, paste it onto lead pages, and you just about have all that. You just want to make sure any links that they don't link to this affiliate's offer. You want to change the affiliate offer. Looks like they're linking the image and the watch now button. So that's all you would have to do. It would literally take you 5 minutes to replicate this with your own linking in there. One thing that I want to mention right now that I would do differently is, and that's really has to do with the third leg of my milk stool, and that is I want to capture somebody's email address. I'm pretty certain that they're tracking my Facebook pixel here, and probably have some Google Analytics, not analytics, but Google tracking code so they can remarket to me later. But essentially what I would do with this is I would put a deal in here to try to capture an email address that says, hey, watch now, enter your email address and get our free, diabetes PDF, handout, whatever, and then click through to watch now, and we'll deliver to them something of value in trade for their email address. So that fulfills that third leg of the milk stool for me. And you can do that. Where is it? Lead Pages has built-in A/B split testing, etc. Another option to Lead Pages is I did a video. I'll put a card to it in the top of the video here about creating landing pages using Amazon's AWS for hosting. It's lightning fast. And it's pretty easy to use, and it's only $3.50 a month. And did I say it was lightning fast? And that's going to be key on mobile devices these days. Then what I do is I install WordPress, and I use a theme called Divi. I'll put a link to it down below, but watch that video if you want a super easy, low-cost, lightning-fast landing page solution that's $3.50 a month, is even cheaper than Lead Pages. So check that out. But then I know you're asking yourself, Mark, actually you're asking me, talking to yourself, what am I going to offer them in exchange for an email address? I don't have a 30-page diabetes handout or PDF or anything. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Google, good old Google, and do a search for PLR. And the first thing that comes up, all of these will probably suffice. I'm just going to take you to the first one here. and this is done for you PLR content. So this is basically private label rights. Somebody else has written a book or a handout or something, PDF, or some sort of asset, digital asset, and they are going to sell it to you and give you distribution rights on it. So if we come into their content library, PLR. So basically I can scroll through this and see if anything fits. I could probably do a search as well, but I'm just going to go to one of these. And it looks like I can download this if this was a fit, if this was for diabetes, if this was for whatever. I could go ahead and download it, and it costs 1 credit. And I'll show you right here. See how calculated? So 1 credit is $2.20. So you have to buy 10, looks like at a minimum, but $2.20 to get a value add handout to give somebody in exchange for their email address. And you can use that over and over and over and over and over again. So not too shabby. So what did we learn today? We learned how to reverse engineer hack super affiliates and make sure that what we're doing is driving traffic to an offer that seems to be working. And we use SimilarWeb's Chrome plugin to help us with that information, make that decision. Basically, all of the answers are just laid out here in front of you. All you have to do is replicate this system. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click through on this for now. I'm going to come over here to this landing page. Yep, keep watching the video. It's super simple. You can look right here. Here's ClickBank, so if we click on the affiliate here, it's going to open a page that looks like we can sign up to be an affiliate for this offer that we know is working because the other super affiliate is driving lots of traffic for a long time to it. So if I go and do a search for this, HALKI, on the ClickBank website, I'm going to come over here to ClickBank, go to their marketplace, and I will search for HALKI. I don't even know how to say that, so I don't want to butcher it. And here is their offer. They have it in Spanish and they have it in English. So we can promote it. I'll go ahead and click on this and we'll just see, yep, it's the same exact thing. And then if we come over here to the affiliate page, and that's the exact same thing. So it's a ClickBank offer. It's working. We know how to find the right offer. We know how to create our ads that are working. We know how to drive traffic using native advertising. I've basically given you an affiliate business in a box, kind of a bundle gift to you. This is how you would start this up. There should be no questions, but if there are any questions, then leave me a comment below and I'll get around to answering all of the questions that I can. Listen, if you got good value out of this video, then please give me a like and subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified every time I put out new videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.